Hello everyone, let's take a look at LeetCode 863 all nodes distance k in binary tree. So it's also a very typical tree problem, and it's not that easy. Okay, let's take a look at this problem. So the problem is we are given a binary tree, a target node, and an integer value k. We need to return a list of the values of all nodes that have distance k from the target node. The answer can be returned in any order. For example, like for this tree, target 5, k is 2. So we know there are 3 such nodes. They are 1, 7, and 4. Okay, let's take a look at how to solve this problem. Like the first problem, like the first solution, it's very like straightforward. First, we need to run DFS to build the parent mapping. So for each node, if there's pointer to the parent, or if it's find its parent, then the problem is pretty easy. So we have a function find parent, which just builds the parent map. So in my main function, first we call find parent, then we run another DFS to find the target answers. For this DFS, it starts with the target node, and it has a variable k, so that we know the distance. Okay, but for this solution, we know it takes O(n) time and O(n) space. We can optimize it a little bit. For example, we can optimize the space to log n. Let's take a look at like how can we optimize it. So I use this example. 5 is target node, k is 4. From this graph, we know the answer is 0, 2, and 12. Okay. First, I run DFS to build the path map, path vector. What is the path? The path is tells us how can we go to target from the root node. For example, here the path is first true. First means like go left, true means go right. So from 3 to 5, we need to go left, then go right. So path is first true. Okay, so we start from the root node. We know target is in the left part since path 0 is false. So for the right part, we know like what's the distance between 4 and 5. So the distance between 4 and 5 is 2 plus 1, 3. K is 4. So we need to find all nodes in this subtree that has steps 1. So we find 0 and 2. Okay, then the root move to the left. Now path 1 is true. So we know target is on the right part. So for node 8, we know the distance from 8 and 5 is 2. So we need to find all nodes in this subtree that has steps for 2, which is 12. Okay, now root go to right. Then we know we are reaching the target node. Then we can just we can just find all the nodes in this subtree that satisfies the condition. We need to find all nodes in this subtree that has steps 4. Okay, we also need to pay attention to the nodes set in this path. For example, if k is 1, we know that the node 1 is our answer. Okay, so the code looks like this. First, we need to call find path function and reverse path to build my path. Then we just for loop the path. If path.size minus I is k, we need to push back this node since this is a node in my path. For example, as mentioned, if k is 1, the node 1 is our answer. Then I get the path. If path is false, we know the target is on the left part. Then we can find answer in the right part. Otherwise, the path is true. The target node is in the right part, so we try to find answer in the left part. Okay, at last, we root is target node, so we can find answer in target node. Okay, that's it. See you next time.